Hi guys, welcome to Mymy and Emmah's playhouse. Today we're building our tent.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
We're gonna put the lights here. Yeah. We need a battery. Actually, over here. Emma, look over there. Oh, hi guys. Had a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it. Mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell. Goodbye.